1. Laundry, clothes and linens that need to be washed. I have a lot of laundry to do this weekend. 2. Washing machine, a machine used to wash clothes. I put my clothes in the washing machine. 3. Dryer, a machine used to dry clothes after they have been washed. After washing, I put my clothes in the dryer. 4. Detergent, soap used for washing clothes. How much detergent should I use for this load? 5. Fabric softener, a product used to make clothes soft. I always add fabric softener to my laundry. 6. Laundry basket, a container for carrying dirty or clean clothes. I need to get a bigger laundry basket. 7. Load, the amount of laundry that fits in the washing machine or dryer at one time. I did 3 loads of laundry today. 8. Cycle, a setting on the washing machine or dryer that determines how the laundry is washed or dried. I usually use the delicate cycle for my clothes. 9. Sort, to separate laundry into different groups based on color or fabric type. Make sure to sort your laundry before washing. 10. Stain, a mark that is difficult to remove from fabric. I need to treat this stain before washing the shirt. 11. Bleach, a chemical used to whiten clothes and remove stains. Be careful not to use too much bleach. 12. Drying rack, a stand used to air dry clothes. I prefer to use a drying rack for delicate items. 13. Iron, a device used to remove wrinkles from clothes. I need to iron my shirt before the meeting. 14. Wrinkles, creases or lines in fabric. The dryer helps to reduce wrinkles in my clothes. 15. Fold, to bend clothes neatly for storage. I like to fold my laundry right after it's dry. 16. Hang, to place clothes on hangers to avoid wrinkles. I hang my dresses to keep them wrinkle-free. 17. Lint trap, a filter in the dryer that catches lint. Don't forget to clean the lint trap after each use. 18. Delicate, items that require gentle handling and washing. I wash my delicate clothes on a gentle cycle. 19. Laundry room, the place where laundry is done. The laundry room is in the basement. 20. Laundry detergent pod, pre-measured detergent in a dissolvable packet. I like using laundry detergent pods for convenience. Example conversation: do you know how to use the washing machine? Person 2: yes. First, you need to sort your laundry by color and fabric type. Okay, I've sorted my clothes. What next? Person 2: put your clothes in the washing machine and add the detergent. Then choose the appropriate cycle. Person 1: got it. What about drying? Person 2: after washing, transfer the clothes to the dryer and clean the lint trap. Then select the drying cycle.